Good morning, everyone. It is May the 2nd, 2019. It is 7:30 in the morning. These are the earthquakes that happened overnight while we slept. Here we go. There was a 4.1 Malacca at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.9 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Guatemala offshore at 21.7 miles in depth. A 2.2 Northern California Sea, that was 2 miles southeast of Geyser at 1 mile in depth. There was a 3.6 Chile offshore at 19.2 miles in depth. A 2.8 Northern California at 4 miles west of Cobb, that came in at 1 mile in depth. A 2.1 Nevada, that was 27 miles southeast of Hawthorne at 6 miles in depth. Now, there was a 4.2 Greenland region. It was at Greenland Sea, and it came in at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 south of Lombok, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Chile at 6.2 miles in depth. This is what I had to go look up because I wasn't sure where it was either. There was a 4.1 north of Saran, Greenland Sea region that was, it's got it in the Sea of Kara, Kara, at 6.2 miles in depth. It looks like the closest place would be Russia. All right. This was confusing because USGS had it in one spot, EMSC had it in another. All right. There was a 4.3 Fiji Island at 383 miles in depth. A 3.3 Australia at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Chile at 73.9 miles in depth. A 4.0 off the shore of Guerrero, Mexico at 11.1 mile in depth. A 3.7 near the coast of Ecuador, they had that at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.2 Nevada, 30 miles northwest of Austin, and they had that at 2 miles in depth. Then there was a 2.8 Nevada, 31 miles northwest of Austin. They had that one at 0. Sorry, my bell's inside, but it was floating in the air. What do you think? There was a 3.4 Northern California, according to the EMSC, 13 miles northeast of Santa Rosa, and that came in at 2.4 miles in depth, and a 4.5 Taiwan at 22 miles in depth. Wow. All right. I just had to go hunting down a couple of those earthquakes, like Greenland and the Sea of Kara, Kara. I mean, I didn't know where any of those were. Guys, God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. All links will be in the description box, so you can click on them and go see exactly where they were. I'm going to give you guys 2 thumbs up just because you're you and you're awesome. Thank you for taking time out of your busy morning to watch the earthquake reports. Have a wonderful day.